We start with one hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price exactly was within this move, I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we prefer to see the breakout of the previous top, which was 0.13. Anyway, we get the correction following by sharp move. Now I want to see whether the price can break the 13 cent or not. Mostly there was no opportunity to look for this trade. All right. And we need to highlight if we put this one in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we have a divergence. This is the things we need to be really careful. And mostly we will face the divergence based on forward chart. Anyway, we start with daily chart and we have been looking for the reversal. The only thing is the way is moving is really corrective and we don't like this kind of the correction because it cannot, we cannot get a really good opportunity to look for buy. All right. But what I'm looking for continuation and we're looking to see the breakout of 0.13 because we need to see the confirmation to breakout of this correction to confirm we are within the uptrend for the long term. This is what we explained my last analysis. Anyway, if I move to forward chart, this is what I mean by base. The way is moving is really corrective. And if we refer to the indicators, we have a divergence. All right. Mostly when we see this kind of the move, if the price couldn't break the previous top, it can follow by a deeper correction. And what I believe is the possibility to get the deeper correction is very less. And mostly we can look for continuation and it can follow by a sharp move and break this correction and continue. That's why if you want to look for buy, if we get any opportunity based on lower time frame, we'll take it. But the only thing is we should know how to manage it if it's not moving our direction. And at this point, I need to see the breakout of 0.13. We need to see the breakout of this correction to confirm we are within uptrend. But anyway, if the price couldn't break the previous top, we can expect to get any correction similar to what we have here. Okay, for sure, if we get a correction, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. But at this point, the best thing is if we see the break confirmation of with the breakout of the previous top as a short move flag, then we take the trade. All right, because if we move to 1 hour chart, at this point we cannot look for any trade unless the price consolidate here and we consider this one as a short move flag by having a trade above the top. But we should know that we buying almost at the breakout of what we're looking for. Then how about if the price tag and drop? Okay, that's why if you want to look for buy in that way, we need to be really careful. That's why I mentioned if there is a breakout confirmation for the breakout following by correction, it can give us better opportunity for trade. Okay, maybe we don't get this. We don't get any opportunity as what I explained just now. All right, then if the price consolidate here, also we can look for buy, but the only thing says we need to see the confirm breakout. If the price couldn't break, we are not going to keep the trade. We need to watch out our trade because based on 1 hour and 4 hours, we have a divergence. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.